Hey everybody, this is Scott with another day in the life. Decided to come out this morning and get a few sunrise pictures, and let me turn around and show you what I'm looking at this morning. Now granted, I'm still waiting to see if the sun will pop a little bit more as it comes on up, but I've already got some this morning, so I'll let you see at the end of this.